Beloved, we're in process of taking the Pantocratora Icon back up to the dish in the main dome of the church. It was removed because of the damage that occurred through condensation and various other things. So that dish now has been repaired and replastered, and some ventilation installed so it won't occur again. So you can see the good gentleman going up the steps with the icon rolled up. They're climbing the scaffolding. We have a number of parish volunteers helping us, along with Father Anthony. Right there in the gold shirt is Father Anthony Salzman, the iconographer, directing the process. I think we have 6 young men volunteers from the parish. 6 already up.
Oh, wait a minute. Tell you what, let's bring it this way and we'll take it straight up. We won't have to drive your curve. You can go up. Okay. Let's go up. There you go.
We are witnessing teamwork right now, the very essence of teamwork, as we try to get our Pantocratora back up into our dome. Okay, so that end is going to go that way. That end goes that way. There we go. And we have made it all the way up. As you can see, our Pantocratora Icon has been brought to the top, to the 3rd heavens, and it is ready to be placed back onto our canvas, right on here on the top of the inner dome. So what we are doing now is placing glue onto the canvas so that we can place the Pantocratora exactly where it was before. In order to do that, we really have to make sure that an adhesive is properly placed and distributed so that our Pantocratora icon can fit strongly and securely. In addition, as you can see, all the blue paint that was up here, as we talked about before in our dome, all of that has been removed, as that was found to be an asbestos product, which has now been removed for some time, and we are going to be replacing all of that paint very soon with a product called Sona Spray, which is going to be a nice bright blue, which is going to be sprayed onto our dome and will fill our dome as if it is the heavens, which is what it represents. We thank you again for taking this time, for praying with us as you are with us during this entire process, so that we can really make sure that we do everything to restore our church and to make it whiter than ever before. God bless.